Good morning. It's the 18th of August now, back home for my grandparents. I put a swastika on, hopefully that's going to help. Today, I'm going on a hikey sort of thing. Oh, I thought Lego was there. Zara. So, getting our steps in. So that's exciting. And yeah, that's about it. I'm quite hungry. I need to wash my hair as well. It's so greasy. I might eat something before I leave because I need to leave by 12:20. So I better get on with it. I'm going to show you Lego. I just gave him some morning treats after some morning pets. And then he bit my ankle. That means he wants to play, but I don't want my ankle to be bitten. So no thanks. He's had all of his treats. They're all gone. Oh, are you going to come and bite my ankle again? Oh, pretty boy. Say hello. Oh, you're so handsome. He's so affectionate. You're so cute. He's going to be 13 in 2 months. Isn't that exciting? Yeah. Sweet boy. I've come out of the shower. Look at the hair. Need to brush them. I know it's not completely great to brush wet hair, but I've just got a text. Okay, no, that's a scam. But I have to brush my wet hair because it's a mess if not. Look, I don't have a hairdryer here. Not that I really use a hairdryer anyway, but I don't really use much heat on my hair. It doesn't take long, and it won't take long to dry. I came out the shower like half an hour ago anyway, so yeah. What's the time? I don't know the time. What's my laptop say? Okay, it's 11:58. I need to be done by 12:20. I'm gonna do a little bit of makeup. Right, first off, I'm going to moisturize with this. Simple, it's so dirty. Triple Protection Moisturizer, SPF 30. Antioxidant, vitamin C and E and ginger root. I hate the smell of it, but I use it anyway. Because it's good. It is good. Oh, shite. I've still got a spot sticker on. Ew. I've got no idea how much that helps. That's so... Hello. No, you're not gonna... I mean, it has sucked some stuff out, I suppose. So... My nose gets so dry and no amount of moisturiser actually helps. Well, sometimes it helps for like half an hour and then it's back to how it was. But I moisturise it anyway. I do put 45 on it. Sometimes that's good. I'm just gonna do this. You put a lot, so I'm probably taking my notes this. But yeah. Rub that all in. I hope it helps. Because I fucking hate. I'm doing this in the camera when I've got a mirror right next to me. Okay, after that, I use my caffeine eye cream. Helps reduce the appearance of tired eyes. Someone's making noise outside. Oh, she's shouting on the phone. Okay, thought she was coughing. I don't need too much of it. It's quite good. Nice, enough. And kind of just bring it down as well. Just like that. Like, I don't know if you can see a difference, but it's good. Moisturising. My eyebrow palette broke, but I do my eyebrows, I have to, because what the freak is that? Half eyebrows. So I usually use this one, but it's kind of all gone now, so I'm going down to this one. And then this one. And I just kind of... I'm doing this in the dark, I realise. Oh well. Where are you? There. I'm in no way, shape or form a makeup artist, makeup guru, whatever. I just kind of just do whatever. I don't feel like you have to do it a certain way. If it works for you, then it works. That's why I do it like this. I don't know if how I do things is correct, but it works for me. So next, concealer. I think this is an e.l.f. one, but it's all rubbed off. Pretty sure it's an e.l.f. one. Ready for that? Put them here. Might put some over that. I'm not gonna do that because that's quite like open. I don't know. What would you say? Not fresh. Like infection risk, whatever. I'm not gonna put like a full face of makeup on. I don't want to put it over that. So I'm just sticking with this, and then I tap it on with my fingers. And that's what works best for me. It doesn't work so good if I use a brush or even a beauty sponge. Tapping it on. Using the camera's actually too bad. Check the mirror. Can't lie. I don't actually find putting makeup on that fun. I find it a bit tedious, especially concealer and mascara. Mascara's like very important because I have like non-existent eyelashes, and like, having eyelashes really helps like uplift your look. It's pretty. That's still a bit red. Let's go back into concealer. There we go. Now I've got very wide nose. You'll see what I do to help with paleness. I'm not going to put any setting spray on this because I just don't care enough. So it's whatever, like I'm just going on a little hike. Like I'm not going out or anything. So this is the silly part. I use this just to kind of, I do it in the wrong place here. People are probably watching this thinking, what the fuck are you doing? I don't know. I like my forehead because it's big. Don't shrink that down a bit. I've always been made fun of for my forehead because it's more of a 5 head. It looks worse in pictures. Oh, I need to take my sertraline. Should probably do that now because I'll forget. I keep forgetting recently. I'm having to like take it at like evening time when I'm supposed to take it at 10 AM. It's currently 12:08. Nearly done with this. Then I need to brush my teeth. I don't have a water bottle, which is kind of bad. When I do, I can take my flask. I suppose. Not this, though. It's too big. I'm done. Just realised you can see Gerald and Michelina. Maybe I should do a little teddy bear tour at some point. I'll show you Simon. This is Simon. He's so cute. He's so cute. I've shown you Augie. I'll show you Augie again. Augie's my one and only. I take him everywhere. He's going to come with me to Amsterdam in September. Less than a month. Or is it basically a month? No, it's less than a month. I'm going on like the 8th. And today's the 18th. Yeah, so it's like 3 weeks or so. I don't know, but I'm going to Amsterdam with my grandparents and my sibling. And then in October, I'm going to York by myself for 3 nights. I'm very excited for that as well. I'm very excited for these holidays. I want it to be September so I can go to Amsterdam. I was initially supposed to go to Edinburgh. I asked to go to Edinburgh, but it was too expensive and Amsterdam's cheaper. So, oh well. I just haven't shown you what mascara I'm putting on. This one is the Sky High one. Rimmel? Maybe? I don't know, but it looks like this. Because all of the stuff rubs off and I've had it for ages. It's basically dried up. I put it on as a base coat because I use this one, this number 7 one, for the actual length. But if I do that on its own, it clumps. But if I use this as a base, which is quite dry so it won't get too long, it prevents this from all sticking together. So, science. So I'll put this one on now. Done. That's the makeup for today. I need to tidy my room when I get back. See, my room is tidy for literally 2 seconds, then it's messy again. I don't know how to keep my room orderly and not messy. I've got too many things, not enough space for it. So, yeah. But, yeah, I need to get going now. So, I'll show the hike later. I love hikes, so yeah. I'll see you later. We're on the hike. We've gone to a bit where there's no path. Why does this keep happening to us? I think it's like we just had to cross a slip road. If there's no cars, go. There is a car. Oh god. Oh well. If we went in Bulgaria, we would get killed because people don't slow down. Yeah, literally. No taxi man has offered to help us this time. Lol, it's fine. It's not a motorway, so... Maybe my ex will drive past him. Yeah, maybe, if he has his licence again. Who knows? Update. Back on a path we are. On a path. We crossed a very scary way. So yeah, let's see where life takes us now. We found a dead bat. That's a bit... No! I want to look at it. It's a bit dangerous. Don't they have like diseases? Oh, true. Let's not be near it. Oh my god. That's what people thought COVID. Oh, we're seeing nature. Why is it looking? Oh my god, it's kind of cool. Oh, lol. Found something that looks like a rat's face. Yay! We're going back now. But, oh, I can't turn it around. Whatever. Do you know what? You can just see this. But we're going back a safer way, so there we go. And I don't know what we're going to do for now, but then we're going to go see Bart because he was poorly in his cage. Bye! One very talkative pussycat. Hello. Hi. Oh, hi. So cute. Come here. Good morning. I look absolutely awful. I've decided to dye my hair. Just washed it. These are the bits that I'll be dyeing. Yeah. I'm gonna try my best. Not very good at this sort of stuff, but oh well. Putting the gloves on. This is ridiculous. Today's like the 21st of August, so a couple of days after the walk. I haven't been doing much in the meantime. We've literally been a lazy couple. Oh, I probably shouldn't say that word. Hello, okay. I'm definitely going to make a mess of the box. Whoops. Already. How do I get this off? Oh, this is tissue paper. Oh, what the freak. I'm really not coordinated. Like, I shouldn't be trusted to do this on myself. But, well, like, I can guarantee these sections are very uneven, done badly. What I'm supposed to do is I'm supposed to put it on with conditioner. So, there we go. And based on how strong I want it, that's the amount of drops I should put in. This colour, by the way, is a pink petal. This is just a fun, literally, just a spur of the moment decision. People I'm probably going to watch this in the future and be like, oh, you were so dumb. I know, girl. I'm aware. Like my nan. My nan dyed her hair and made an absolute mess of the bathroom when she did. I've not quite made as much mess as that. I mean, she got it all up the walls. I don't know what she was doing, but... I've done this with green hair dye before as well. But I don't know where that hair dye's gone. Which maybe one day I can do green and pink. That would be ridiculous. I have no idea what the fuck I'm doing. I'm not there. I've definitely done this wrong. Oh well. Live life on the edge and all that. Now I've got to wait 5 minutes apparently. Yeah, maybe in the 5 minutes I can actually clean. Oh my goodness. Not too much of a mess, but I have got it on there and all on there and all on my conditioner bottle. So it's not too much. So it's not too much to clean. I think I'm just gonna leave it like this. But yeah, that's my hair. I don't know what it looks like at the back, but that's not my problem. Getting it all over my neck, getting it all over this. It said to you, I know I should use a towel around my neck, but I personally just can't be bothered, so. Clean. Now I'm gonna wash this off. This is the final look. So it's not actually as pink as I thought it was gonna be. It's quite like subtle. Maybe next time I'll do it a bit more for longer, I mean, or more dye in the conditioner, but yeah. Also, basically, I lost my hearing aids. Classic me. I don't know where the hell they went, because I was coming back from my grandparents' house in Suffolk, end of May, by train, and I think I must have dropped them somewhere between the train and my house in Brighton. So I've been without hearing aids since the end of May. It's the end of August now, so 3 months. Finally got new ones. Can't really see. The point is that they're more subtle, more hidden, I suppose. But yeah, I'm having to get used to these ones as well because yeah, you have to like acclimatise to them, or if that's the word, I'm not sure, but like my voice sounds quite robotic and stuff right now, but I'll get used to it. But yeah, it's good to be able to hear. Wait, I'm gonna see if I can hear the clock. I can't hear the clock naturally, so it's weird to be able to hear it now, but now I'm gonna have to get used to them and to get used to my pink hair. You can watch as I do my crafts.